Another day, another class. Today we're going back to New York City, Atria on West 86. Stay tuned for a nice little story. Ready for today?
Oh yeah.
Going to the city. City life. I hope we get lucky here. We're sort of close.
Come and knock on our door. Come and knock on our door. Been waiting for
Yeah, it's stuck in the middle of the street. Gotta love the city.
We've been waiting for you. Where the kisses are hers and tears. Sweet company too.
Oh, well, that's how we teach with iPads. So anything that we do, you can do yourself in your iPad. You don't need yours because we have our own to show you, and then we leave papers behind too, so you can remember and you can do it yourself in your iPad.
Come and dance on our floor. Dance on our floor. Take a step that is new. Take a step that is new. People of a space that needs your face. Sweet company too.
As you can see, it masks your face and it puts a different face on it.
You'll see that life is above again. Laughter is calling for you.
This is not only good for getting your finger used to tapping, but it's really good for memory. It's a brain exercise, as we like to call it.
Tap one, right? You get a picture. So you're gonna tap another. See how they're
My
different?
God, you're flying by this one. City, without getting a little chicken halal, is the best. The combo platters, chicken and rice and some salad. Another class under our belt, but today was special because in the city, a parking ticket is just a little bit more than anywhere else, so $115. But it's all about bringing entertainment and knowledge to the elderly.